what's your thoughts on the Jamaican chick so far?
My boy, they're just phenomenal women so far. Like, I thought at one point I would be disappointed, but so far you have held the bar so high up throughout the entire list. Like, I've seen different, and I've been around the world a bit. I've seen a lot of women and stuff, but I guess for the time being, y'all on the top spot. Jamaicans are kind of ruling the beauty world. Like, y'all are number one.
Yeah, hey, ask me how I did it, I'm telling them grace. Ask me how I'm living, I'm telling them great. Ask me how I did it, I'm telling.
Welcome back to X-Twin TV. This is Jason, and today I have my friend with me, so introduce yourself, bro.
I'm Bradley, I'm from Zimbabwe. I am apparently Jason's special friend. Here as a guest. I'm not sure what we're doing yet, he's about to tell me.
We are going to be rating Jamaican YouTubers. Last time, me and my brother, we rated YouTubers. This is part 2.
Oh, I can't wait for this. I can't wait.
First girl that we have on our list is Kimberly Cross. So yeah, we're gonna pull up on her Instagram and see what she's going on with.
Ooh, wow, okay. So this is what we're working with today?
Yeah, this is what we're working with.
Nah, I love her fits though. I love her fits.
Let me go first, like obviously.
Yeah.
I'm going to just point the fact out. Jamaican girls are just the baddest.
I mean, it's an opinion. It's an opinion. I support your opinion, but it's an.
So who's the best looking girl then?
Who's the best? I don't know, but we're gonna find out. We got a long list to go through, right?
Alright, black girls. Oh, Black History Month.
Oh yeah.
February in, so happy Black History Month, everyone. So you don't know, say, the black girl them a do it, isn't it?
Yeah.
So Kimmy. So obviously, you can tell she take care of herself.
Nah.
Nice clothes, nice hair. Her background, I rate her a 9. 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10, yeah? That's your opinion. Now let me take a look.
Take a look.
Nah. This girl can dress. And I swear the pictures they look on point. This girl knows how to take the positions. Like, nah, I give her 8.5. I give her 8.5. I give her an 8.5.
Not too bad.
Not too bad. Nah, look at her. Like that's a fit right there. That's a fit. This is phenomenal, bro. Yeah, so she gets an 8 out of 5 from me.
8.5. Alright, not too bad. Number 2 on our list is, and her name is Chinee K. I don't watch her YouTube, but I just know that she's a YouTuber.
Yeah.
So we're going to pull up Chinee K Instagram and see how she looks. Alright, Chinee K. Boom. Alright, see it here again. Another Jamaican. Baddest. Nice bikini suit. Braids are going fair. Nice shades. Well put together girl. And again, background you can tell say yo she has spent a little money.
Yeah.
Jamaican name, isn't it?
So what's the rating?
Chinee K. I rate Chinee K. A 8.
China. Love, you look amazing. Like, hey. Nah, it's the fit, it's the style for me. And she kind of funny though. Like, look at her. You look like you have a lot of fun. Nah, love, I give you an 8. I give her an 8.5. I give her an 8.5. Dressing is on point. She looks like she has fun.
Definitely.
Nah, bro. Look at that though. Like, that's a fire fit right there. And like, I mean,
Jamaica.
Okay, fine. By the end of this, if you can convince me that they're the baddest, you win. Yeah, you win.
Bro, but alright, I dated a Zimbabwe girl before. She was very bad. She did bad, man. Bad girl.
He's undecided.
You have to big up the Zimbabwe girl them too in a car.
He's undecided now.
Them have the big bunda.
Okay, who's next?
Number 3 on our list, and I watch her YouTube personally. so you can go check her out.
Yeah.
Her name is Tiffany Silver. So we're going to look at Tiffany Silver Instagram.
Yeah.
She does like travel vlogs, like diving in water, catching crabs and shit, those things. But yeah, she has a lit. Yeah, she has a lit YouTube. So go watch her YouTube. So Tiffany Silver. Damn.
Damn, my boy.
Lips them.
That's a bad thing right there.
Yeah. Them lips look nice.
Nah, she's a bad thing.
So,
Nah, facts.
alright,
Yo.
Tiffany Silver. I'm not going to even go further. You're just getting a 10 right there. You see me?
Nah, I give her a 9.5, but goddamn, yeah,
I give her
look at it. I give her a 9.5.
Thick.
She. Nah. I mean,
The guys
She a
are
bad
simping
thing.
over here, Tiffany.
she's a bad thing. Hey, she's a bad thing, my boy. Yo. Tiff, you're a bad thing.
Yo, Tiffany, pull up on my nigga in the car. Him love it, isn't it?
Yeah. Nah, I give her a 9.5. Style, pictures, she got it. She a bad thing. I think she got the highest rating on the list so far.
Big
10
up
and
yourself,
9.5. Nah, let's go down the list. Let's see what's there.
Alright, Tiffany Silver, big up yourself. We have, and I think a lot of people know who this girl is. So we're just gonna get into it. And her name is Chanel Lee, aka Chinee, or something like that. Alright, so Chanel Lee Instagram here. And she only have one picture, but we still have to rate the one picture.
Yeah, it's the one picture.
Alright, she lean up in a one car.
Yeah.
She have a nice shoes, nice boots. Her eyeglass look nice. Her hair look nice. Well,
yeah.
I can tell she have a little style, like she going with something different from other girls that I've seen. She look nice.
Yeah. Nah. Bad thing.
Post up in the Porsche. Chanel, I give you a 9. You look good. I like your style, Chanel. Eat pizza on bed. I give Chanel a 9 out of 10.
I'm high as Chanel. Alright. If you end up seeing this though, babes, these pictures though, hey. Nah, you got mans out here feeling some type of way. Nah, they pretty darn fire. Nah. I'm gonna give you 9, like straight. I agree with him. You're a bad thing, you know how to dress, you know the positions that make you look amazing.
Fuck.
I mean, drop dead gorgeous, yeah?
Yeah,
Nah, she a bad
she can just like, those boots are fire.
Nah. Like only you can pull like these kinds of like only you, only she can pull them off, yeah. But the Porsche though, yo, the Porsche.
So you see the car that you should be pulling, to be pulling chicks like this.
Yeah, James, get a Porsche.
I need a Porsche.
Get a Porsche. You could probably pick her up.
Chanel, may I buy my Porsche and come pick you up, isn't it?
Okay, my boy. Who's next on the list?
I think she's well known as well. A lot of people know her.
Yeah.
I believe she have a man.
Oh, okay.
But we don't give a fuck about the man. We're not here to rate her man. We're here to rate Shanzi.
Do you have words for this, my boy?
I can left me speechless, my girl.
Nah.
I want to know Jamaican on the backgrounds. I'm just spending the money still. Big up on yourself. When I have money. Rich.
A rich thing.
Rich now, right?
A rich thing.
Alright, Shanzi. Like, you look good. Definitely, like, body look healthy. Yeah, eat up your food. Hair look nice. Nice, clear skin. Probably have a nice skin routine and go on for yourself. Teeth, them look good. I don't know if I veneers, but who the fuck give a fuck? Them white.
My boy, nah.
Shanzi,
Yeah.
I give you a 10. I give you a 10. 10 out of 10.
Nah. You're a bomb thing. You're a bomb. You're taking good care of yourself. I gotta give you that. Mad props for that. Big love, big support. You're definitely a bad thing. I'm with them on this one. I'm gonna give you a 10 too. You deserve it. You deserve it. My favorite gotta be that background. Jamaican, the background. It just looks beautiful, man. It just looks beautiful.
Yeah.
Nah. I give you a 10 too. I agree. I'm on with them. She's so far. She's got the highest rating. You taking good care of yourself, girl.
Yeah. All right,
We
Shanzi.
love it. We love
10,
to see
10
it
out of 10.
from both of us. Big love. Okay, who's next on the list, my boy? Who's next?
Next on the list, we have, her name is Tash Fierce. And I think that's the name of her YouTube as well, Tash Fierce. So you can go look that up. But
Go watch Tash Fierce.
Yeah, go watch Tash Fierce. But we're here for her Instagram.
Yeah.
Let's pull up Tash.
Bro, these Jamaican things though, hey.
Like, them well put together. We can't even go wrong.
Wait, they're like, you can't go wrong with the Jamaican. You just can't go wrong, hey.
Facts, like, them put together, like, them have style. You can see they have a lot of fun. They're having a lot of fun.
They enjoying living, like, I can't even, nah.
Tash Fierce, yeah, I give you a 9.5. You look good.
I'm finna give her a 9.
I love the dress.
I give her a 9. Nah, I give her a 9. This girl's a bad thing. This girl's a bad thing. Nah, represent Jamaica, love. Damn. Hey, she look amazing though. Nah, I give you compliments on this. Like, simple, beautiful aesthetic. You got something going on for you, something really, really good. Like, all your fits are just simple and they just look amazing on you. She's put together. Now you're a bad thing. I'm in love with the fits. The fits are simplistic.
Yeah, the fits are fire, bro.
And they just make you pop. They just make you pop. Yeah. Who's next?
9.
9 for me. 9 for me.
Alright, Tash Fierce.
It would be unfair to give you a 10.
So all the people name that I call, most of them, their names are their YouTube. So if you want to check their YouTube, just listen to their names and go type it.
Do not forget to like, follow, and subscribe to X-Trend TV to see more of us just clowning around.
You know the vibe. What's your thoughts on the Jamaican chick so far?
My boy, I'm nearly completely convinced that these are like, my boy, they're just phenomenal women so far. Like, I thought at one point I would be disappointed, but so far you have held the bar so high up throughout the entire list. Like, I've seen different, and I've been around the world a bit. I've seen a lot of women and stuff, but I guess for the time being, y'all on the top spot. Jamaicans are kind of ruling the beauty world. Like, y'all are number one. Yeah, like, I just can't with you. I can't even argue with you, boy. I can't argue with you.
But Black History Month, big up the black woman them all around the world. We love the black women.
We love the black
All
woman.
facts. Her name is And I Am Shelby. That's her YouTube and that's her, I think, her Instagram. So we're gonna pull up Shelby.
Hi Shelby, how you doing? Shelby love, how you doing? Can't wait to meet you.
So it's a light-skinned nigga.
Okay. She built petite.
Yeah, she's slim. I like, to be honest, I love slim girls are my favorite girls. Like, I love all type of women, but the petite built ones.
I don't know how you and me are friends, because I'm the opposite. I like them built.
Yeah.
Not a lot of women can rock having short hair.
Alright,
I
Shelby.
don't know how Shelby does it so well.
Yeah, natural hair is short, so yeah, she rocks it really nice.
She rocks it really nice.
Yeah.
Like, just short hair on its own is a tough look, and she's pulling it off.
I like the painted nails.
Clap hands to you, Shelby.
I like the black painted nails. And
Nah, she got the fit going on.
yeah, and
Look
you're
at
a
her.
bright girl. Graduated University of Technology, Jamaica.
We love the smile. We love the
love
smile.
the
The
smile
smile
is
is
bright.
gorgeous. It's gorgeous.
Shelby, you're
So,
pretty.
What are you giving her?
I give Shelby. I give you an 8.5.
She looks great. Like, nah, the fits she rocks are her own. Not everybody can just like match that fit. Like, those are hers.
Yeah. And again, it's like you girls just go to trips all the time. You just have fun, and I love it. Like, just
we love to see you happy,
enjoying
smiling,
driving the boat.
Nah, she look happy. She look like she having fun.
Just having fun.
And we gotta go to Jamaica. We gotta have fun with them.
Definitely.
We have to go.
Yeah,
we're
we're
coming
going
to
to
Jamaica.
Jamaica.
We're gonna have a little fun with y'all. Might see you over a couple weekends. I hear Dream Weekend's coming out.
Yeah,
I hear
facts.
Dream Weekend
Yeah. What we're seeing on this phone is nothing
compared to what's actually there, and we can't wait to actually meet y'all. We really can't.
Facts.
We're looking forward to it. Now, the last girl on the list
Yeah.
is someone I've been looking forward to seeing.
Yeah, the last girl is Tanoya Wint.
Mm-hmm.
So again, you can go on YouTube, type Tanoya Wint, and you see her. But we're going for Instagram, and she is the same name. So she's the last girl on the list. So
Yeah.
I hope she keeps
the standard
the
going.
standard
Standard. Like, all these girls been out. They've been above 7.5.
That's facts.
Like, the minimum so far has been
That's
8.
facts. Yeah, all the girls that we rated tonight were like all of them over 8, and that's good.
That's a
Like,
great standard to
that's
hold.
top
I
tier, so-
give that to you. Nah,
Another-
she's definitely the best.
Another beach pick.
She's definitely the best.
Thick. The word thick is what you use to describe this female. Bright smile.
Lovely
Beautiful girl.
smile. Very well built.
Yes, you built,
Lovely fits.
you built good.
Nah, she built amazing, and I love the dressing. She's always wearing these bright, lovely colors.
Yeah, I love the bright colors. I like the bright colors.
Nah, they look amazing on her. They really make her pop. She just got this vibe to her. She seems like a really calm person.
Yeah.
Like, everybody else been like hella excited. Like, we love to see you having fun, but this calm demeanor. Look at her.
Yeah, and she dancing and just chilling.
Like, it's just like work to her. She's just there enjoying it. She's pretty calm.
Tanoya,
Tonight,
I give you a 9.
I give you a 10, love. I give you a 10. You're the most
Dang.
calm on the list, and I'll be honest. To me, this is like the best way to end it. She really does look amazing.
Yeah, she does look amazing.
She have held the standard, the Jamaican standard. Like, girl, like, she's amazing. She really is amazing.
Yeah, she looks good.
Oh, she actually has. Damn. Damn, bro. Hey. Hey.
Tanoya,
Today.
pull up.
Hey, pull up, like, right now. Like, I'm waiting for you. Like, we in Canada right now. Just pull up. I'll take care of you. I'll give you a place to stay. We got a car. We got
That's
just
facts.
pull up. I'm finna take care of that smile. I wanna see it every day. Like, damn.
Yeah, she looks good, bro. She looks
Nah,
good.
she looks great. I gave her a 10 already, even before I saw that amazing smile. I gave her a 10. I don't know. Can we give them above 10?
You can give them one, yeah, bro.
Nah,
100,
nah.
1,000 if you want.
Tanoya,
50.
I give you an 11 out of 10. You got that extra one.
Damn, Tanoya.
You got that extra one. You got that oomph. Yeah, you got that oomph.
Thanks for watching, and you heard it from a non-Jamaican. Yeah, drop a like, drop a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.
Peace out.
Yeah. Hey, ask me how I did it, I'm telling them grace. Ask me how I'm living, I'm telling them great. Ask me how I did it, I'm telling